Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a shop call I received just now. This is about a plate washer PL10148 required. Now where is it to be used? Nobody has any clue. I had to spend some time, the client had to spend some time, then I had to go into Timber Connect, look up, and then I found where. But giving drawings like this to the client is not a good experience for anyone, and there's a lot of waste of time for everybody involved with this. So I have to discuss with you how to address this. What we need, along with the plate washer, we need a typical area where this plate washer is used. It can be just a model snap, cut and pasted onto the drawing, but it is required. Without that, we all have to spend a lot of time, and it's not at all a good client experience. Thank you very much.